Okay, let's keep moving because we still have a lot to cover. All right. If you've seen our webinars before, then you have probably seen this poster. Now, this is only the top third of our DevOps architecture poster that's right here. This is meant to be printed on a 3-foot by 2-foot poster board. And by the way, if you don't have it and you would like the high resolution PDF of this complete poster, just send me an email or look in the chat. If you send me an email if you need any help getting the poster, the book, anything, and I'll be happy to help you out. But this is the sequence of events for your DevOps environment. And I've kind of highlighted a few things, and I'm going to highlight a few more things that are different because you're using Azure Container Apps. But this is the flow. You have your integration build. You take the resulting packages from your integration build and you put them in Azure Artifacts, which is package management. Then you move along a minimum of 3 environment flow, because nobody has fewer than 3 environments. There's one of each type. You have production, that's a type. A manual test environment, that's a type. We tend to call that UAT, user acceptance testing. There's all kinds of names that you can give manual testing environments, but you need at least one. Then you need an environment for automated testing. This is no humans allowed. This is the TDD environment to invoke the spirit of test-driven development. And because we need to know that with a new release candidate, this thing still deploys properly on a production-like environment, and then we run full system acceptance tests against a fully deployed instance of the complete application to make sure it runs. And we integrate this with Octopus Deploy by letting Octopus Deploy do the deployment, and then control comes back to Azure Pipelines for subsequent testing or logging and the permissions integrated with Azure boards and all that. And if you're using GitHub Actions that is less sophisticated on the pipeline front, then you would just stop at the TDD environment, and then the rest of the deployments, you have to do all inside Octopus Deploy. Now, this is just for promotion. This does not cover managing multi-tenant environments. This does not cover runbooks, backups, scaling, all the other operations stuff that Octopus does so well. This is just from making a change to doing the builds to getting a new release candidate and getting it out there. Okay, but this doesn't change.